and today we're going to be talking about a company called FlexClip. So a rep reached out from this company and wanted me to check out their product. So I get a decent amount of requests, right? And I really would only consider companies and products that I like, right? Or like if Amazon, I see good feedback. So I checked out the software and I liked it. So I agreed to make a video. It's video maker software, right? You can get started for free. And it's for all types of things, like whether you're making a video for Facebook, TikTok, right? Making ads, you can adjust it to your liking. I actually run a small business. So I love software like this because I don't have, when I say small, I mean very small. I don't have a marketing team, right? So if I want to, it deals with digital services. So like marketing, SEO, web design, things like that. So if I wanted to run an ad for myself, right, or for a client, right, I don't have years of experience with Adobe, Photoshop, and video editing and all that. Right? I didn't go to school for that, right? I don't have a marketing team. So that's where software like this really comes in handy for someone like me, right, a small business owner. You can use it for yourself, right? You can make videos and professional videos. There's templates in there, and I love templates. My favorite thing is templates because I love having a finished product fast, right, as quick as possible. Literally within 5 minutes, you can make a video, right, and upload it to your Facebook page and promote it to everyone you want it to see, right? And I love that. I mean, whether you have a promotion, maybe you have like a buy one get one free, you have a 20% off. There's templates for that. So I love software like this because small businesses can really benefit from having this software. So so I'm going to go ahead and show you the software now, how to use it. Like I said, it's very simple. You can have your videos uploaded in minutes, really, depending on how much you want to customize their templates. There's a lot of videos with people in them. Think about it. If you wanted to create a commercial, you'd have to hire actors. You'd have to pay a photographer, right? You don't need to do all that. I'm going to get into the software, but I'm going to say now that I recommend it. This is good software for you or your small business. Or if you just want to make videos, maybe you want to be an influencer, you want to make videos for TikTok, Snapchat, whatever you want to do. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the software. Let's check it out. All right, so here we are on FlexClip.com. So as you can see, you can create by templates or start from scratch. It's a video maker tool, so you can create marketing videos and family stories in minutes. So just a little scroll down, so you can edit for free, right? Templates, you can animate the video, and then there's over 1 million stock assets for your need. So here's some of the templates. Now, if you hover over it, you can see a little preview. So you can go through these quick. They have categories depending on what you're trying to do. So here's some more of the highlighted features. So go ahead and log in and we can check it out. All right, so here we are logged in. It's my account. It does save your projects, right? So you can edit the products you've done. You can name them. Very easy. So we can scroll through the templates here. Okay, we can go to social media, education, wedding. You can make quick videos. So let's go to business. And if we scroll through, it'll give a little preview of what it is. And you say, so it comes with everything, including the music, which you can change. You can add your music, but you have to worry about if it's copyrighted. All these videos are ready to roll. You can export them, right, and tailor them to your liking. Let's go ahead and click customize. So you can pick any of the videos that you like and go ahead and customize it.
So it loads pretty quick, right? Now it breaks it up into scenes. So you can, this one looks like it just has one theme. This one looks like it actually just has one scene, right? So let's scroll through. Let's pick this one, right? So it has, so if I want to change, so I can click replace, right? If I want to go to a different template, like maybe I don't like that template, right? But say I scroll through these templates, say I do actually want to add just one of these scenes to my existing template. You can do that too. So you can add that right in there. I mean, you're like, never mind, I don't want to add that. So I can delete it. So that's a thing that I like, because sometimes it's with templates, sometimes it can be difficult to edit them and customize them to your liking. But with this software I like, it's pretty simple to do that. So here we have the text, so we can change the text, right? We can change the picture in the background, right? Or we could come here, so there's stock media, you can add, right? You can record screen, webcam, right from in here, or you can add your own file. So let's try stock media. So it breaks it up into video and then photo. So say I just want to add a photo, stock photo, right? So I scroll through and then I find one that I like. Let's pick this one, and then you can add to your media library, right? And then it says added successfully. So you go back, there it is, it loads, right? So it's in my media library, so I can drag this over to replace the current file, so like the current picture. So it got rid of the little girl, right? I can undo this, right? And then I can click here, right, to add to a new storyboard. So it's going to add another scene. I'm like, nah, I don't want to do that. I can go back and I can just do picture in picture, just to show it a certain spot on the existing photo. So that's an option as well. So I like, you can tailor it, right? And then there's also these options. You can filter, so you can change this. You can go, which these are available. I don't know how much you'll need to use these, but it is available to do that. So you can flip it, right? I can select that and then transform. So we want, all right, so with that we just had a double click. You can flip it back and forth. So there you go. So you can change that, you make it lighter so it kind of blends into the photo. So there's all types. So now, so that's like kind of animation. So let's say we just want to play this one storyboard, right, or scene, and call it. So we can play that. See how it went in there and then it zipped out. Now, if we wanted to preview the whole entire thing, we would go up here, preview, right, just to see. Oh, am I ready? You could say like, am I ready for, turn it down a little bit. So you can choose to export if you're ready, or you can continue editing. So let's go back to continue editing. So we can go in here and we can change the text, right? If you hover over it, it'll give you a preview of what it's going to do, right? So you can add that in there, and then you can add whatever you want. Hello. All right. And then it'll go ahead and show you. You can always test it, see what it's going to do. Like, oh, okay, I like the way that looks. And you can always change this color, right? It's two-tone. So, I mean, as you can see, very easy and fast you can make these videos. And that's what I like. I want it quick, right? So here is another option. You can add that in there. But it's like, nah, I don't like that. Overlay. So there's elements. Here, these you can scroll over to. If you make a little outro video for YouTube, you can put that in there, right? And then that'll play. That's pretty cool. instead of just having a picture, you can actually have animated so it looks nicer, right? You can delete this. So you can change the background so they're stock backgrounds. Keep it simple. You can say, no, I don't like that. You can go back. You can always change the music. There's stock music. And then it opens up the screen, and there's tons of tracks essentially you can add to your video. So that's always nice. So here you can add a watermark. So say we put in text, right? There it is. And you can change what it looks like. This position, and you can put it anywhere on the screen, right? Like for YouTube, you might want to put like in the entire video, like subscribe, right? And then you can kind of change it so it's just kind of hiding there. And you can change the color, right? So that's nice. You can just kind of have that there in the entire video. Just reminding people, hey, you subscribe to my channel. So there's more options here. So this is more for desktops, and then the rest are kind of built more for phones. And then you do also have this option, 21:9, right? But most people are probably just going to be for the computer or for your phone. Okay. So if you click it, it'll actually show a little preview of what it's going to like. So you can tailor it towards what you're trying to accomplish, whether you're trying to make like a Facebook ad specific to people on their cell phones, or maybe you're trying to target only people that are on their desktop. So you can tailor it for the specific like audience you're trying to reach. So say I go through all these, right? And I'm ready. So once you're done, you could click export. So you have the 3 options. I always try to go for the best quality. So you can name the video test, rated by, say, Mike. Now there is an option to have an intro, right? So it says test by Mike, and then it does say FlexClip. Right, so those options, right? And then you can just choose to not do an intro. So it's up to you, right? So we won't do an intro for this, and then we can do export video. So it's going to go ahead and export the video. So it's doing it pretty quick. So if you stay on the page, if I don't open up another tab, it'll go by faster. So do a little countdown. It says it will take about a minute left. So at this pace, it looks like it should, within 2 minutes total, this video will be ready. It's not that long, but marketing videos shouldn't be that long, or people are going to lose interest. So in general, we're like 2 to 5 minutes. I mean, you can make them longer, but I wouldn't suggest doing that. So as you can see, it's ready. I can open it up with QuickTime. I'll just choose save the file. It'll go to my desktop, and then there's also the option you can upload to Dropbox or share it immediately to YouTube, or you can continue editing. And it does say if it doesn't work, you can click there. But let's go to continue editing, and then I'm going to go back to the main page. So as you can see, this is very easy. Very easy. You can use the templates, or you can start from scratch, but I personally always go with the templates, and then I just tailor them to my liking, because especially if you're using pictures, I mean, you can always add your own pictures in, but if you like the look of the template, you can change the picture, and then you change the text, right, and you're good to go. So there's a lot of templates for all types of things. Like I said, software like this really is helpful for small businesses, right? And or just people that want to make videos, influencers. This stuff does come in handy because you can tailor it towards, like, it has a little Instagram section. So this is, the size is specific to Instagram, right? Marketing, video marketing is definitely, especially on social media, it's going to become more and more popular as regular TV cable is dying. So more and more companies are going to lead towards marketing on social media, right? But it's not just for marketing purposes. You can use these types of videos for all types of things, but it does really appeal to marketing. But yeah, overall, it is a very simple and easy to use software. As you saw, you can make a first time logging in to this website, you can make a video within 5 minutes, right? Depending on how much you want to customize it. But as you saw, it only took a few minutes to make the video, right? If I was really doing that, depending on what you're making the video for, will require more customization. But a lot of the time, all you got to do is maybe change a picture, change some words, right? Especially if you just want to have a promotion, 20% off, 50% off, update the picture of your product, and then go ahead and you can have that video up on your Facebook page within minutes, right? And this is stored in your account. So if I scroll up, it'll show all of my projects, and then I can go ahead and edit them. And you can save them. If maybe you don't finish it, you can pick up the next day. So it is very simple, very easy to use, as you can see, and I would recommend this. So definitely check it out, FlexClip.com.
For watching, I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.